The TOSHIBA OptiChef Air Fryer Combo Countertop Microwave Oven is a game changer for anyone looking to maximize their kitchen space without sacrificing functionality. This two-in-one appliance combines the convenience of a microwave with the versatility of an air fryer, making it a standout choice for busy households. The 2.4-inch color display is intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing you to switch seamlessly between microwave and air fryer modes with just a few taps. The sleek design fits perfectly on countertops, and its compact size doesn't compromise on capacity, making it ideal for families or small kitchens. One of the most impressive features is the air fryer functionality, which delivers crispy, golden results without the need for excessive oil. Whether you're reheating leftovers, cooking frozen snacks, or preparing a full meal, the OptiChef handles it all with precision. The microwave mode is equally reliable, with even heating and multiple power levels to suit various cooking needs. The combination of these two appliances in one device saves time and energy, making meal prep more efficient than ever. The build quality is solid, and the materials feel durable, ensuring this appliance will last for years. Cleaning is straightforward, thanks to the removable air fryer basket and microwave-safe interior. While the price point is slightly higher than standalone microwaves or air fryers, the value lies in its dual functionality and space-saving design. If you're looking for a versatile, high-performing countertop appliance, the TOSHIBA OptiChef Air Fryer Microwave is one of the best options on the market. It's a true multitasker that simplifies cooking and elevates your kitchen experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.